The Small Town's Odyssey. A journey of unity and resilience. In the quiet, unassuming town of Harmony Ridge, nestled amidst rolling hills and meandering streams, life moved at its own unhurried pace. The townsfolk knew each other's names, waved to each other in passing, and shared stories at the local diner. The tight-knit community was rooted in tradition, with generations living out their lives in a place that seemed immune to change. That is, until the day the unexpected happened, and the residents of Harmony Ridge found themselves united in a struggle unlike any they had ever faced. Part 1: A Visitor from the Stars. It was a crisp autumn evening when the event that would change Harmony Ridge forever unfolded. The sky, a canvas of orange and pink, was painted with the hues of the setting sun. Children played in the park, and couples strolled through the streets, oblivious to the approaching spectacle. As the sun dipped below the horizon, a shimmering streak of light pierced the heavens, leaving a trail of luminescent residue that lingered in the darkening sky. The townsfolk gazed upward in awe, their hearts pounding in their chests. It was an otherworldly sight that none of them had ever witnessed before. Within minutes, the mysterious object descended, landing in a field just outside town. Panic and curiosity gripped Harmony Ridge. Families hurriedly gathered their loved ones, huddled inside their homes, and peered out their windows, trying to make sense of the situation. A small crowd of brave souls ventured toward the site, where an unusual craft had come to rest. Its sleek, metallic design glistened under the moonlight. As the townspeople approached, they saw a hatch slowly open, and out stepped a figure unlike any they had seen. It was an alien being, tall and slender, with iridescent skin and large, expressive eyes that radiated intelligence and curiosity. The small town's initial fear quickly transformed into fascination as the being extended a hand in a gesture of peace. The alien's intentions were unclear, but the people of Harmony Ridge chose to respond with the same warmth they'd always extended to strangers. Part 2: The Stranger's Tale. The alien visitor, who introduced itself as Zara, conveyed a tale of interstellar exploration gone awry. Zara's spacecraft had been damaged during a mission to study distant planets, leaving her stranded on Earth. She had been observing humanity from afar and chose Harmony Ridge as her landing site because she sensed something special about the people who lived there. Zara's story ignited the residents' compassion. They offered her shelter and nourishment, and in return, she shared knowledge of her advanced technology, sparking the town's imagination. Zara's presence, once a cause for alarm, had quickly become a source of inspiration. In the days that followed, the small town buzzed with excitement. Scientists, engineers, and ordinary townsfolk came together to help repair Zara's spacecraft. Strangers became friends, and the divisions that sometimes separated them dissolved in the spirit of cooperation. The townspeople realized that they could achieve incredible things when they worked together. Part 3: A Shared Dream. Repairing the alien spacecraft was an immense challenge, but it was a challenge the residents of Harmony Ridge took on with unyielding determination. People from all walks of life brought their unique skills to the table, forging an unlikely community of problem solvers and dreamers. In a makeshift workshop at the edge of town, engineers like Tom and Amelia spent countless hours studying the alien technology. They were determined to engineer it and learn how it worked. Despite the long hours and numerous setbacks, they persevered, motivated by the chance to make a connection with the stars. In the heart of town, young and old gathered to discuss the possibilities of space travel and what it could mean for humanity. Teachers, like Mrs. Johnson, began integrating space exploration into the curriculum, inspiring a new generation to reach for the stars. As weeks turned into months, Harmony Ridge underwent a profound transformation. The town, once known for its quiet simplicity, was now a bustling hub of innovation, collaboration, and unshakable resolve. People shared ideas, knowledge, and dreams, and the once dormant community had come alive with hope. Part 4: Overcoming Challenges. The path to repairing the spacecraft was fraught with challenges. The alien technology was far more advanced than anything humanity had encountered. There were moments of frustration and disappointment, but the residents of Harmony Ridge remained undaunted. Zara became a beloved member of the community, sharing her knowledge and expertise with anyone willing to learn. She had become a symbol of unity and perseverance, a living testament to what could be achieved when people from diverse backgrounds and abilities joined forces. Tom and Amelia worked tirelessly, often late into the night. They faced countless setbacks, but they refused to give up. It was their daughter, Emily, who provided a fresh perspective one evening. "What if we're not just fixing this ship for Zara to go home, but to show the world that we can unite and explore the universe together?" Emily's words ignited a spark in her parents, and they redoubled their efforts. Part 5: The Final Push. After months of hard work, the people of Harmony Ridge finally made a breakthrough. The day arrived when the repaired spacecraft was ready for its maiden flight. The entire town gathered to witness this historic event, their hearts filled with a mixture of excitement and nostalgia. As Zara prepared to depart, she thanked the people of Harmony Ridge for their unwavering support and unity. She shared her vision of a future where humanity would reach for the stars as one, bridging the gaps that had divided them for so long. Zara's farewell speech resonated deeply with the crowd, reminding them of the extraordinary journey they had undertaken together. With tears in their eyes, the people of Harmony Ridge watched as the spacecraft lifted off the ground and disappeared into the night sky. The moment was bittersweet, as they knew they were saying goodbye to a dear friend, but it was also a moment of profound pride and accomplishment. Part 6: The Legacy of Unity. In the years that followed, Harmony Ridge became a symbol of unity and resilience. The town had experienced an incredible transformation, not only in their technological capabilities but in their mindset. They had learned that when people set aside their differences and worked together, they could achieve the extraordinary. The town's commitment to space exploration continued. Inspired by their experience with Zara, they built their own space research center, attracting scientists and engineers from around the world. The once quiet town became a global center for innovation and discovery. The story of Harmony Ridge's response to the unexpected alien visitor spread far and wide, inspiring others to come together in the face of challenges. The town's experience became a testament to the power of unity, reminding the world that we are capable of achieving great things when we work as one. Conclusion: a journey of unity and resilience. The small town of Harmony Ridge faced an unexpected and otherworldly challenge, but instead of succumbing to fear and division, its residents chose to come together. They united in the face of uncertainty, and in doing so, they discovered their true potential. Their journey to repair the alien spacecraft and send Zara back to the stars became a symbol of human resilience and the boundless possibilities that arise when people work together toward a common goal. The legacy of Harmony Ridge serves as a timeless reminder that even in the face of the unknown, unity, determination, and the pursuit of shared dreams can lead to remarkable achievements. In the end, it was not just the alien visitor who left an indelible mark on the town, but the town that left an indelible mark on the world. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Please hit the like button if you like this video, and hit the subscribe button to learn English through watching these kinds of interesting stories daily. Please click on the screen on any video showing on your screen to watch it next. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video till the end.